What's really driving today's real estate market? Everyone is pointing to low supply or low interest rates, but I think it's more than that. Stay tuned.
Are you ready? Let's go!
Welcome back to Real Estate on the Lam, bringing you the latest market information, some predictions, and a few other nuggets along the way. Hi, I'm Lambros from Royal LePage, and by now everyone knows how hot the market is. But what we don't really know is why it's so crazy. Why are people willing to get into so much debt? Why are they bidding hundreds of thousands of dollars over and above the perceived value of a house? Is it low interest rates? Certainly that's a factor, but keep in mind that buyers still have to qualify at a higher rate. If they are using a big bank as a lender, then they are subject to a stress test, which means they have to qualify at 2 or 3 percentage points higher than what the actual rate will be. So then is it low supply? Certainly that's another factor, but low supply alone doesn't drive up prices. Low supply combined with high demand is what's causing the price acceleration. Let's explore some theories on why demand is so high, but first I want to show you the stats so you can appreciate how high demand really is. 1 year ago, the market was heating up before COVID, and we thought it was nuts then. As you can see on this chart, we had about 8,800 listings and 7,200 sales. That's about a month and a quarter of inventory. Fast forward to February 2021, and now we have more sales than listings. In fact, we have less than 1 month of inventory. Looking at the bigger picture, you can see how sales spiked last month after keeping relative pace with supply since January 2020. This has resulted in phenomenal price growth, jumping up almost 5% month over month and about 15% year over year. Back to demand. A recent survey by Mortgage Professionals Canada discovered that the number of people who want to buy their own home quadrupled in only 7 months. Back in mid-2020, only 7% of those surveyed were eager to buy their own home. But then when a new survey was conducted in January of this year, that number had risen to 27%. Sure, last June, people were still adapting to COVID and lockdown measures, so people were probably not thinking about buying a house. But now they are, and we are seeing it day in and day out with bidding wars all across the province, never mind just GTA. I believe it is because people understand the benefits of home ownership, both financial and non-financial. Non-financial benefits are self-explanatory, like having your own place to live, to raise a family, to be part of a community. But let's not overlook the financial benefits, however, because owning a home is the largest tax-free investment that you can have. Home ownership has always been the first rung on the ladder that leads to wealth creation. Add to this all the recent stimulus spending by our different levels of government, which means that our taxes may go up when the pandemic is behind us. So people are looking at tax-free home appreciation as a way to offset that. Further still, the equity that people now have in their properties has increased significantly, even from a few short years ago. So we are also seeing people use some of that equity to buy a second or third property, either for their children or for investment purposes. Last but not least, people are realizing that waiting to buy is like walking on a treadmill and not being able to keep up. Prices are accelerating much faster than the rate at one can save, so all they're doing by waiting is making it more and more difficult to get into the market. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this information helpful. If you're planning to buy or sell, or just curious about market activity in your specific neighborhood, please do not hesitate to contact me. I would love to hear from you and happy to answer your questions. You may call, text, email, or even post a comment in the section below. In the meantime, please like and share this video, and if you're watching on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button or follow me on Facebook or Instagram to get all the latest videos and market information. Have a great day, everybody, and stay safe.